Hello everyone, welcome to the series of understanding concepts of statistics in just 2 minutes. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of population. So understanding the population is crucial for defining the scope and relevance of the statistical studies and analysis. So in statistics, a population refers to the entire set of individuals, items or events that share a common characteristic of interest. Now, populations are used as the reference point to collect the data and drawing conclusions in research. Let's understand this with the help of example. Suppose we are interested in analyzing the performance of class 12 students who are enrolled in government schools in state of Gujarat. So all class 12 students who are enrolled in the government schools in Gujarat becomes our population. But suppose you are only interested in girls. So now population is all girls who are going to government schools or who are enrolled in government schools in class 12. So here, after defining the population, we can collect the sample or we can collect the data from that population. So defining the population in statistics or in research plays a crucial role. So that is the idea of population. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.